So this is the course contenting that we are going to do during our training of these 3 months. So this course content is in ECC and also in S4HANA. Both the topics, both the systems I'm going to share you. And we are SAP FICO Hub, and now we have changed it as My ERP Hub. So, and this is the process which I have explained you. So like from training to placements, we have everything with us. Just I need your dedication for that. Okay. And now coming to the course content. So we starts with introduction to ECC and introduction to S4 HANA. And 1 second. Okay, we'll go with introduction with ECC and S4 HANA. ECC is the old system, S4 HANA is the new system, but S4 HANA was built on top of ECC only. So it's even though there are many clients, I can say 40% of the clients still they are in ECC system. Okay, so slowly they wanted to migrate from ECC to S4 HANA. Okay. So then I'll be explaining you like a theoretical part, like what is the responsibilities of consultant, what is the responsibility of end user, what is SAP landscape, how to take SAP licenses, what is SAP server, so what are the functionalities in SAP FICO, and like what is the submodules in FICO, and if you wanted to run any software, we need to know about the process like SAP methodology or Activate methodology, which is called as SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. So that we are going to discuss, and how to log in, what are the shortcuts, what is transport request. These are all like a general terms which we are going to see during our training. And then we will come to the system configurations. Suppose now I'll go with practical example. We are all working with TCS and our client is Britannia Industries. Britannia Industries, they don't have SAP. Now they wanted to use SAP for their business. So what SAP will help? Their entire purchase, sale, incoming payment, outgoing payment, and other things. Whatever their day-to-day business transactions they are doing, they need to use this SAP for their operations. Okay. In that, first, we are going to build the organization structure of Britannia Industries in our SAP system. These are all the organization structure, and we are going to do the some of the financial global settings for Britannia Industries. So general ledger configurations we are going to do, controlling configurations we are going to do, and here we'll try to create a accounts like rent account, salaries account, wages account, bank account, all these things we are going to create. If I want to create this account directly, we cannot create in SAP. We have to do all these configurations, step by step configurations. After doing the configurations, we will be creating master data. Master data is nothing but like accounts. So it's like a salaries account, wages account, etc. Or I have a factory in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. It's also a master data. I have departments like admin department, sales department, purchase department. That will also come under the master data only. First, we will learn the master data, and then we will see the transactions. These transactions and reports are called R2R. R2R means record to report. So if you are doing any small financial transactions, that will be recorded here, and we can display that. We can even display the financial transactions, and we can do the payments also. This is one thing which we are going to see. Next, we'll see about what is transport request, what are the tables in the database, and we see the functionalities like park document, hold document. And in SAP, once any financial transaction is done, We cannot delete it. We cannot edit it. We have to do only reversals. How to do the reversal? What is a reference document? How to do the foreign transactions? What is payments? Accounts payables means we need to do the vendor configurations. Vendor configurations, vendor creation, vendor transactions like vendor purchase, vendor payments that we will see here, vendor advance, and vendor cash discount, payment terms, house banking, automatic payment program. If you are having 1,000 payments, how to do it at a time? That is called automatic payment program. And what is GST? What is VAT? How to calculate in SAP that we are going to see here. And we see that TDS also. So how to configure TDS like a consultant, how to use TDS like a end user that we are going to see here. Coming to the payment terms, yeah, payment terms we are going to understand. FIMM integrations. This is most important to get a job. So SAP Finance is not just a financial accounting part, it's like a business process. So purchasing is very much important for SAP FICO consultant. So purchasing is very much important for SAP FICO consultant. And these are all the topics that we will be covering, like procure to pay process, like how to create a purchase order, how to do the goods receipt, how to do the invoice receipt. So, and I cover multiple scenarios under P2P cycle, which is very much important even for the fresher entry level jobs also in SAP. So that we are going to cover. And then we will go to the accounts receivable. Account receivable is nothing but when you are selling, you will get the payment. So getting payment means receivable. So that we are going to see. And when coming to the receivables, how to track domestic customers, how to track international customers, how to generate customer number, how to post to the customers sales invoice, how to raise the sales invoice, how to collect the payment from the customers, how to see the vendor statement or customer statement, asset statement, all the statements, and how to make advance payments, how to adjust advance payments. Okay. And if customer is not paying payment, how to do the dunning, and how to deal with O2C cycle. O2C means order to cash, order to cash. So order to cash is nothing but like we are doing the sales order creation and we are doing the delivery, we are doing the billing. Later we'll get the payment from the customers. So how to get the payment in case of any wrong, how to cancel the payment, how to do the partial payment, full payment. So all those things we are going to see during our accounts receivable. And then we will go to the controlling part. In controlling, we do the general configurations, cost center accounting like departments, admin department, sales department. I want to see admin department wise what is the expenses in the last year, what is the expenses in the current year. Last year, last week, current year, last week. Like that also we can compare. We can do any comparison here. All those things we can get with this cost center accounting. Suppose you are conducting any capital expenses, operating expenses that can be tracked with the help of internal orders. Now coming to the profit center accounting. So coming to the profit center accounting, profit centers are like a uh, individual organizational units. Like factories can be created as a profit centers, stores can be created as a profit centers. So all these are all the profit centers, and we do our analysis on profit center accounting. Product, this profitability analysis, product costing is nothing but COPA and product costing. I'll give in the form of recorded sessions for this both the topics. So whenever it is required, after getting a job or before getting a job, if you're having a time, you can focus on these two areas. And then I'll start S4HANA also. Coming to S4HANA, once again, I will be doing organization structure, financial accounting, global settings, general ledger accounting, controlling basic settings, GL and controlling. So this we are going to see. Everything we are going to do once again, but wherever there is a changes with old system and new system, that we are going to focus more, and we are going to see the differences also. So practically, I am going to show you the differences between ECC and also S4HANA. So that will definitely help you to crack your jobs. And this is the mandatory question, like what is the ECC, what is S4HANA? And we even learn about asset accounting, like how to purchase a asset, how to check the asset values, how to sell the asset, how to uh, transfer the asset, how to scrap the asset, how to see the asset reports. Everything I'm going to show you during our training part. Next, coming to the currencies. So we do even work with currencies like currency configurations in S4HANA, accounting principles, ledgers, and this is something new in S4HANA, like Fury. Fury means like you can do all transactions in your mobile phone or in your tablet. So that also I'm going to explain you what is Fury. So this is also topics that we are going to cover. And end, I'll give you one real-time project which I have worked on. Along with this, few interview questions, answers, and real-time tickets also I'm going to share. By this, you can able to crack your interviews. This is more than enough. I'm giving best when compared with the other industries, other institutions. So coming to our services with ticket based support, we do have a lab with the lab coordinators, and whenever you struck you can send us a ticket, and the project everything I'm going to provide you. After this, still if you want our assistance for your placements, you can please come to us, so you can sit with us and you can work for your career. Okay, so which we are conducting every day, even you can see from our YouTube channel also. So my ERP hub is our YouTube channel, where we are posting our day-to-day issues over there, day-to-day placement set scenarios, and we focus on other additional topics which is not covered in the class. I even used to post those topics on regular intervals. So this is the course content that we are going to cover during the training, and from tomorrow we are going to start our classes. We are going to start with introduction tomorrow. So with introduction, we are going to start tomorrow, and we will start our configurations also from day after tomorrow. So I recommend all of you to take the server, complete your enrollment process, and take the server from your respective team leads. And from tomorrow, let's start our SAP journey. So I recommend you. So 3 months, keep your full dedication on SAP, and after 3 months, you start applying for the job opportunities. SAP freshers end users, within 2 months, I can give you that. I can update you. Like once we complete certain topics, I can tell you, Arey boss, you can start applying for your job opportunities. You can prepare your resume during your course itself, and you can apply for the job opportunities. This is for freshers. So for experienced people, we have to wait till the course completion and then complete the project, and you try for the opportunities. Both the way, I'll be supporting you. I'll be guiding you. Okay. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. And tomorrow at 8 or 8:05, we are going to start our session. Okay. So all of you,
Ganesh,
yeah, 1 minute, all of you
yeah,
be ready by that time. Yeah.
yeah, hi. Ganesh here, new joiner. I just want to talk with you from my experience. Can I tell you, in the same number? I just want
Ganesh,
to
your
discuss
voice is
about
breaking, Ganesh.
can you hear me?
No, your voice is breaking. Like your voice is up
I said,
and down.
can you call me the same number? I just want to speak to
Yeah, you
something
can call
more
me to
exciting.
our, you can call to our admin number. They will connect with me. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So thank you everyone. Like we can connect from tomorrow and we'll start our journey. Thank you all.
Sir, how to
Yeah,
get
Prashant.
server access and all? I
Yeah.
mean,
For server access, enrollment and all, please contact your respective coordinators. We have many coordinators.
Mm-hmm.
You can just connect with them. So they will share you the details, and immediately you'll get the server details also. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine, fine, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that 9 p.m. Doubt clearing session, it will happen tomorrow onwards, not today.
Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
tomorrow onwards, because we have not yet
Okay.
started, right? From tomorrow
Okay,
onwards, you can get it. Okay.
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
So, yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, RK.
Hmm. Sir, you will deal with even SAP IR module.
IR. What is IR?
RAR.
AR.
RAR. Re-
RAR.
Revenue account
Revenue
reporting.
recognition. So it's
Revenue
not
account.
part of our curriculum, RK.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
Hey, hi, Sanket.
Will you provide SAP MM and SD also?
Yes. SAP MMSD, whatever required for our FICO, like P2P cycle, O2C cycle, whatever required, that we are going to cover in our training itself.
Okay, because I have trained in the SAP MM module,
Okay.
so I need proper guidance
No, no,
on,
you have already took training in SAP MM, correct?
yeah, and
So
SD
now what
also.
you are looking? SD and MM both you have taken training. Okay, now what you are looking, Sanket?
And for a proper guidance and proper, that means I need to get into the job.
You need to get a job. Either you can go for MM or you can go for SD. No need to learn both actually, but it's okay.
Okay.
What is your comfortable zone, Sanket? Like MM or SD?
Actually, I have worked 4 months in a SAP MM module, so
Okay,
that comes.
then connect with the our admin team. So we can push you into our placement team where you can do the real-time scenarios in MM, and then we'll also help you for your placements. Okay?
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah.
one thing,
Yes,
sir.
RK.
Another course is there like that SAP IR. You people will deal with that one. I want to ask.
So RAR, right? You are looking? Yes,
Yes, sir.
we'll be dealing with that. You can connect with
Okay.
the respective team members. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir. That one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, one more thing. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
Prashant.
Sir, see, my company is dealing with Fury applications also. I mean,
Yes.
that is the updated version of something related to SAP. But and there is a lot of investment done by company, but we are not using. So how like our institute will help us to generate the report, like how to see that, how where
See,
to go? Yeah.
in my training, I'll teach you the Fury also.
Mm-hmm.
How to log into Fury, how to
Okay.
post in Fury, how to see the reports in Fury. So it's Fury
Okay.
knowledge I'll give you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I know that many companies they are not using Fury because it's like a new thing. They are not comfortable. They go with
Mm,
old GUI only. But
correct.
however, I'll be sharing my knowledge in both GUI as well as Fury. So whatever comfortable your company even today or tomorrow, you can use that. But knowledge wise, I'll be sharing you both.
Sir, if we go likewise, if I say that I want to be a consultant, so like, do we need to have a knowledge related to configuration and coding in SAP?
Coding is not required, but configuration knowledge is required. I'll be giving you that configuration knowledge, Prashant.
Okay, and that will help us to become a consultant further.
Yes, that will only help you to become a consultant.
Okay, okay, fine, no problem, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Niranjan.
Muhammad
Niranjan,
Azaruddin.
yes. Niranjan, I need a favor. Oh, would you be able to possible to speak to me personally because I have some queries related to my previous experience and I have a doubt whether I have any opportunities if I do this
Yeah,
course.
just connect with our admin Mohan,
Mm-hmm.
senior lead Mohan. He will
Okay,
clarify all your questions. Still
sure,
required, we can connect. No worries.
sure, sure. Thank you, Niranjan.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So I have other class at 9 a.m. I'll be leaving. So tomorrow we'll start our day at 8 o'clock and we'll start our journey into SAP. Once again, I'm saying you, please complete your enrollment and take the server access by tomorrow morning itself. Okay. Today you take it. It will take some time for installation, etc., etc. During that the process, you'll get my drive as well, where you'll get all the class recorded sessions also. Just to go through one first and second, because
Mm.
once we step into the class, it should not be like a new thing to you. At least 50% you should have some knowledge about it. It'll definitely help us for easy understanding, and you can ask me several doubts also during the class, during the session, once you
Mm.
go through my drive classes. Okay. So however, I'm taking live classes, but before that, just have a look of it. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
sure, sir.
boss. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Good day.
So yeah, good day. Good day all. Thank you so much for your time.